This is Kayla with Benchmark, and in today's video I will be showing you how to set up your Hemisphere S631 Rover to record static through FieldGenius Android. I have FieldGenius already open, and I'll go to Select Instrument, and I'm going to connect to my Rover profile here. Once connected, I'll just scroll through to show you that in here there isn't an option for raw data logging. Even if I click the three dots here, again, nothing pops up showing raw data logging. Now I could log into the S631 web UI and set it to record through there, and then connect back in FieldGenius to set up my Rover, but I'll show you how you can actually do it all entirely through FieldGenius Android. So I'm going to disconnect from my receiver as a Rover, and I'm actually going to reconnect to it with a base profile. I already have one created for the receiver I have here, but if you need help on knowing how to set up a base profile, I'll link that video up above. Now that I'm connected to it as a base, I'm going to set up my antenna height. I'm going to change it to 1.6 meters and click OK. I'm going to skip setting up the reference position, as I don't actually want to fully set this up as a base, and just go to raw data logging. Need to give it a file name, so I'm going to call it 0522 just for today's date. And for the rate, I'm going to switch it to 10 seconds rather than 30. Then I'll click Start Logging. Now, if your S631 has the voice enabled, it will say Start Recording, or the radio light will start flashing blue at the record rate you've chosen. In my case, it'll flash blue every 10 seconds. Once I've confirmed it's recording, I'll click Done, and then click Cancel Setup, as I don't actually want to do the reference position. Now I'm going to connect back to my S631 using the Rover profile. Once connected, I'll set up my corrections. For this receiver, I'm setting it up connecting to our Stormcaster and Trip service. So I'm just going to click Start Receiving here. And I'll go through the rest of the steps, such as setting up my tolerance. And then I'll click Done. I'm going to go to the survey screen. So I have RTK fixed. My radio light is flashing green every second, meaning I'm getting corrections, and it's also flashing blue still every 10 seconds, meaning it's still recording static. And I can now go about my survey. Once I'm all finished, the easiest way to stop recording would be to just turn off my S631, or I can connect back to it using that base profile and click Stop Recording. That is everything for today's video on how to record static on an S631 Rover through FieldGenius Android. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.